India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, but Trump called it a dead economy and सबका दिमाग हिल गया. Every Indian came out and called out India's 6.5% GDP growth versus US's growth of 1.5%. But as a retail investor, you should be understanding it into bit more detail. No doubtedly, India has grown, but it has grown on the back of $4 trillion economy, which translates into the growth of $260 billion, while US's growth of 1.5% is on the back of $30 trillion economy, which translates into the growth of $450 billion, which means US has added lot more value into their economy as compared to India. Another factor to consider here is US's population. US population is 0.3 billion while India's population is 1.4 billion, which means the net per capita income addition in US is much higher than India. As an Indian, you should be proud about the nation's growth, but as a retail investor, only looking at the percentage growth won't be enough. So real value समझो, आपके portfolio को diversify करो. I have shared enough number of ways to invest in US market. If you are interested in such no nonsense commentary, follow Ritesh Decodes.